first video we see how we deassemble it. Now we will see how to assemble it again, or continue how to assemble it again. There's a few things happened during this assembling. The cover of camera, there's have three screws, 0, 1, 2, 3. And the base of that screw is getting broken. So I will refix it in other video. See this plastic for this base. I will fix it in third video. Now I will assemble what we have. So the antenna here, the antenna have like spring. This spring, if you can see it in this one here. So this will not work until you push this back inside. So you need to push it inside. This one. At that time, this will work. Okay? Then you start to try to avoid as much you can to put your fingerprint here and here, because it have kind of oil from hand or grease. I don't know what they say because my English is not that strong. So we reassemble it again. And be sure this antenna is in the side, in the right place, and try it. So it's working. Now I will fix this, and there. So here we have two kind of screw, big size and small size. Small size have 4 pieces. This is small size, we have 4. This big size we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this 4 small is 3 for this, the base of dial, and 1 for here, back of antenna. Okay, so we will fix the back of antenna first. I'm just doing this work standing because first video I'm not looking at mobile where it record. So here I'm trying to look at mobile and work at the same time. So this fixed. Now before I continue everything, I'll try to switch it on, switch it off. I take memory. When you did not remove the memory, it's difficult to open cover. You need to remove memory. This is important. Let's switch on. And check if it's working or not. So it's working. Later on I will connect the speakers and mic to check it. And I will switch off this one now. And it's working. So I will continue because I will take it home later on. It's not right. Have 2 pin, small pin, this one, and 3 blades for screw. So that pin have tiny place where you cannot fix it by wrong way. Why? Because this need to be centralized. So this is the right setup, like this, and I will fix the screws. This one. My tools at home, so better to use like something, I don't know what they call it, tweezer to hold things and use it. So here I have very basic tools, that's why I cannot do it well because this is now my lunch break, and in my lunch time I'm trying to assemble it. I think I lost one screw. Which one is it? This 3 4 base 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it's here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is the small one. And this one no need to tight too much because it's a plastic and small screw, so no need. There's no force for this. It's just to let this rotate. Now from back side. And I noticed from Sena they put like kind of rubber around the screws from here. Maybe to be sure nobody open it or to protect it from rust, because maybe they expect it to be rain or something. But anyhow, it's high technology device and really deserve the price because inside it a lot of high end technology and really deserve the price. I'm talking from a technical point of view. Try when you tie the screw to press it because under there is rubber, so the rubber will be sealed. So that's it. What is left over? Memory card. And let's try it. It's working. Making phone connection, but the phone is recording now, so I cannot check if connect to Bluetooth or not. Anyhow, I will switch it on. It's off. Sorry, I will switch it on. It's off now. What left over to work in this area? This is supposed to be like that. So I need to fix the base first. Then put it here, then put the screw, then put the cover again. And I will record a special video for that. Okay, thank you.